I want some rice. Gusto ko ng kanin. How much is this? Magkano ito? It's 50 pesos. 50 piso ito. That's expensive. Mahal naman. Can you give me a discount? Pwede bang tawaran? Where is the restroom? Saan ang banyo? It's over there. Nandyan lang. Excuse me. Paumanhin. I'm sorry. Pasensya na. Thank you. Salamat. You're welcome. Walang anuman. Goodbye. Paalam. See you later. Kita tayo mamaya. Take care. Ingat ka. Now, this is just a small part of our lessons in the Learn Tagalog Filipino podcast on Patreon. So if you're interested with this kind of lessons, go to Learn Tagalog Filipino at Patreon. It's patreon.com/Learn Tagalog Filipino. Again, that's patreon.com/Learn Tagalog Filipino. Thanks to our supporters, Dangles, Eli Bueno, Jack DeHoog, and Trey.